Welcome to our YouTube channel Medical Subjects Made Easy. Ever wondered how your pancreas, that powerhouse of digestion and blood sugar control, actually forms in the womb? Today, we'll break down the amazing embryological journey of the pancreas, with some easy mnemonics so you'll never forget. Let's dive in. The pancreas develops from the foregut, and is derived from the endoderm with signals from the dorsal mesoderm. Just remember, fed foregut, endoderm, dorsal mesoderm. At around week 4, two buds sprout, the dorsal pancreatic bud and the ventral pancreatic bud. Just think of a dove flying into the pancreas. Dorsal bud develops first. Overall, it forms most of the pancreas. Ventral bud is very small at first, eventually it rotates to fuse with the dorsal bud. By week 7, the ventral bud rotates and fuses with the dorsal bud, forming the complete pancreas. Remember 7th heaven because week 7 is when the pancreas unites. The pancreas has two main ducts. Think of it as mad about digestion. Main pancreatic duct, also known as the duct of Wirsung, is mostly from the ventral bud. Accessory pancreatic duct, also known as the duct of Santorini, is from the dorsal bud. Drainage into the duodenum through the major papilla. The pancreas has two main parts, the exocrine, which produces digestive enzymes, and the endocrine, which produces hormones. Just remember ABCD for the islet cells. Alpha cells allow glucagon secretion. Beta cells bring insulin. Cells of delta control somatostatin. Don't forget PP cells, which do pancreatic polypeptide. Sometimes pancreatic development doesn't go as planned. Let's meet PANDA, the troublemaker. Pancreas divisum is when the buds fail to fuse properly. Annular pancreas is when the ventral bud wraps around the duodenum, causing obstruction. Neonatal diabetes occurs when pancreatic beta cells don't develop properly. Dorsal agenesis is the absence of the dorsal bud, leading to pancreatic insufficiency. Accessory pancreatic tissue is extra pancreatic tissue in random places. Finally, here's a quick timeline to help you remember. Just think 4, 7, 10, 12, like a secret code. Week 4 is when buds appear. Week 7 is when fusion happens. Week 10 is when islets of Langerhans form. Week 12 is when insulin secretion begins. Let's quickly recap what we learned today. Fed for origin. Dove for buds. 7th heaven for fusion. MAD for ducts. ABCD for endocrine cells. PANDA for clinical conditions. 4, 7, 10, 12 for timeline. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Let me know in the comments which mnemonic was your favorite. See you in